National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Macomb County, Oakland County until 7:30 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Oxford to Pontiac to Brighton and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage for vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Leonard and Lakeville around 6:10 p.m. Wixom and Rochester Hills around 6:15 p.m. Wolverine Lake and Walled Lake around 6:20 p.m. Shelby Township and Washington around 6:25 p.m. Farmington and West Bloomfield around 6:30 p.m. Ray Center and Franklin around 6:40 p.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: West Bloomfield, Warren, Troy, Sterling Heights, St. Clair Shores, Southfield, South Lyon, Royal Oak, Romeo, Rochester, Richmond, Pontiac, Oxford, Novi, New Baltimore, Mount Clemens, Milford, Memphis, Macomb Township, Clarkston, Birmingham, Armada,